Hi, I'm Richard Byrne. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can format tables in your Google Documents. The first thing that we want to do is turn on the rulers for Google Documents. Do that from the View menu by selecting Show Ruler. And now we'll see a ruler on the left-hand margin and across the top. The ruler on the left-hand margin is a relatively new addition to Google Documents. Now let's go ahead and insert a table. For this demo, we'll do a 3x3 table. And you can adjust the vertical spacing by hitting the Return or Enter key on your keyboard. Or you can click and drag the dividing lines. And as I do that, notice on the left-hand side, the ruler indicates how tall each one of my cells is, and I can adjust it so that all of my cells are the same height. You can also do the same thing with the adjustment of the width of your cells. Now if you want to adjust the border around your cells, simply click on the line. You can choose a different border color. I might choose red for that one. And I can choose a different width. But there's another way to format your tables, and that is with the add-on called Table Formatter. I'll select Start. We'll run this little add-on. And now with the Table Formatter add-on open, we can select different color schemes for our tables. So that's another option for formatting your tables. As always, for more tips and tricks like this, please check out freetechforteachers.com and practicaledtech.com.